Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix iPhone microphone is not working on WhatsApp. So guys, if you want to do any call on WhatsApp or want to send any voice message on WhatsApp and your microphone is not working properly, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your settings, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, and guys here you need to find WhatsApp first. And guys after finding WhatsApp you need to click on WhatsApp, and guys here you can see WhatsApp. So guys simply you need to click on WhatsApp, and guys make sure that your microphone is turned on. Here you can see these are the allow access to WhatsApp. So guys if it is off then you need to on it, and guys after doing on you need to go back. And guys the second method is you need to open your settings again, and guys after opening it here you need to find privacy and security. So guys you can see here simply you need to click on it, and here is the option of microphone. So guys you need to click on, and guys here you can see WhatsApp is turned on. So guys if it is turned off here then guys you need to turn on it, and guys after turning on it then your problem will be fixed and your microphone will be working on WhatsApp. So guys if still not working your microphones, then guys you need to update your WhatsApp. So guys how can you update? So simply you need to open your app store in your iPhone, and guys after this here you need to search WhatsApp, and guys after searching you need to click on WhatsApp and wait for a few seconds and click on WhatsApp Messenger, and here you can see here is the option of update. So guys simply you need to update your WhatsApp, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed and you will be able to send voice messages, or will be able to call to anyone. So guys hope you like this video. If you like this video please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.